Hey everyone, here with box 3 of 3. We'll see what we get in here. The last one though, the last box was pretty fantastic. Pulled Matthews canvas and a Patrick Laine rookie, as well as a Matthews Upper Deck portrait. The rest was but how could you be on the box overall when you had those kind of pulls? Now, I guess I'm really after now is pretty much Mitch Marner. Here, I'll give you the two sides this time. There we go. All right, let's get cracking. See what we get in this box. A Joel Eriksson Ek portrait. Damn, Kyle Okposo. Too many Kyle Okposos. Canvas. Well, it seems like you generally get one rookie Young Gun canvas. There's a Young Gun of Brandon Carlo. Brandon who? Carlo. A marquee rookie, Christian Dvorak. Oh, nice. Hey, let's put this one away. Yeah, give me that one. So just to show you, it is a marquee rookie of Mitch Marner. Not the Young Gun I'm after, but I am happy with this. I'm happy with any Marner, Matthews, Nylander, Laine. Mostly the Leaf rookies is what I'm after. There we go. Pretty sweet. Maybe we'll get double up and get another thing. Oh, it's not bad, rookie. Young Gun of Dylan Strome. Talking about dynamic duos, eh? Strome, Marner, Kachuk. Good or bad?
I don't know.
Another rookie, Dominic Simon.
Pretty good, I think.
Okay, this is a portrait of Nikita Zaitsev. Good for my personal collection. Yes, I am happy with that. I am very happy with that. I'm just going to organize these cards here. I got all these base cards. They're just getting all unwieldy here. Not that I really care about them. I do put one set together, though. And then the rest, I usually do something else with them. Oh, Upper Deck jersey. First jersey I pulled in 3. It is of Nino Niederreiter for the Minnesota Wild. Canvas, Cam Atkinson. Yeah, let's go with the last one here before I crack that open. Another canvas. This one of just Chris Letang. Hopefully the last one's a Young Gun canvas of some sort. No, it's just a regular base. Frederick Anderson. She sees Leafs. She gets excited. Which is good.
Leafs are good.
Leafs are good. Another Young Gun. This one is of Troy Stecker. Anything good?
No. Well, there's a Young Gun.
No. Young Gun of Matthew Barzal. We're at 5 Young Guns. Come on, last one. Mitch Marner, come on. He's hiding on me. No, I was crying. I was pretending to cry. Got a marquee rainbow foil. Marquee of Braden Point. Where should I put this? Right there. Got a marquee rookie, Jacob Chitrin. Got another rookie portrait of Dylan Strome.
I feel like you got this one already, but I don't know.
I don't know if I got this one. Sebastian Aho? Or Aho? Or Ahole? Depending if you're not a Canes fan and he's scoring on you. He's a good player though. He's gonna be something else to watch in this league. Marquee rookie of Dennis Malgin. Nothing too good.
I think this is all base. I don't know.
All base.
Am I crazy?
You are not crazy. That is all base. Wow, that's yeah, an all base pack in hobby. Wow. You're gonna get an email from me, Upper Deck. That's a disappointment.
There better be two of something and another.
I know. Got a young gun of Frederick Gauthier. Not Mitch Marner. But it's Gauthier. He's okay. He'll be a fourth liner. He's a shutdown. Oh, interesting. Okay, so the rare, it wasn't a young gun. It's essentially a, it's, what's it called? A legend. Stan Mikita. Good old Stanley. Nothing. No. No. A rookie card of Jacob Larson. And last but not least, another rookie card retro of Travis Konechny. Overall, did get this marquee Mitch Marner. I guess that's something. Not too happy with this box overall. But the second box made up for all this, so I can't complain overall. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.